So, have you ever had just an incredible idea for a book? In this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can use AI to go from a blank page to a bestseller, and do it way faster than you ever thought possible.
I mean, let's be real. Maybe you've dreamed of being an author, but you get stuck on that very first page. Or maybe you've got this brilliant idea, but who has the time to sit down and write 60,000 words? Yeah, we've all been there.
Well, you know what? The game has completely, totally changed. That entire struggle, the frustration, staring at the blank page, that lack of time, it's all been upended by a seriously powerful new tool.
Because today, AI isn't just for writing code or chatting anymore. It is becoming the ultimate co-author, and I'm going to show you exactly how to partner with it.
Okay, step 1, building the roadmap. Every great book starts with a solid plan. Before you even think about writing a single word, you have to know where you're going. This first step, brainstorming and outlining, is honestly the most important part, because it's where most people get stuck and just give up.
For this initial brainstorming phase, you'll want to use some heavy hitters, like ChatGPT or Claude. You should think of them as your creative partner, someone you can bounce ideas off of, for unique plot twists or for structuring your nonfiction chapters.
And here is the key method, all right? Instead of asking the AI to write the whole book at once, which is a mistake, you prompt it to build a chapter-by-chapter outline. You guide it. You start with the core idea, then you ask for chapter titles, and then you have it flesh out the key points for each of those chapters. What you end up with is this crystal clear roadmap, and it pretty much kills writer's block before it can even start.
So, now that we have our roadmap, it's time to add the soul. Look, a great structure is essential, but a bestseller needs characters you can't forget, and a voice that's totally unique. This is where you really inject the personality into your project.
You can actually use AI to create these unbelievably deep character profiles. You can prompt it to generate their entire backstory, their biggest flaws, what really motivates them. This is how you build characters that feel real, you know? The kind that connect with your readers on a deeper level.
And listen, here's a pro tip that changes literally everything. You have to tell the AI the specific tone you want it to write in. Think of it like you're a director giving an actor a very specific note.
Just look at the difference it makes. For example, say you want a gritty noir thriller. You tell the AI that, and boom, it generates this dark, suspenseful prose. But then you could ask for a helpful self-help guide, and it'll switch to something supportive and encouraging. Defining that tone up front is how you make sure the AI's writing perfectly matches your vision.
Okay, now we've reached the most critical phase, the partnership. This is where the magic really happens. It's all about the collaboration between your human creativity and those AI-generated drafts. Everything we just did with the characters and the tone, this is where it all pays off.
Now pay close attention, because this is the big secret, okay? You never just copy-paste what the AI gives you. That is not the goal here, at all.
Instead, you do something called centaur writing. It's a great name, right? You let the AI generate that first rough draft, and then you come in and add your unique voice, your personal stories, your emotions. It's so powerful because the AI does all the heavy lifting of just getting words on the page. That frees up all your mental energy for what truly matters, the creativity, the nuance, and the style. It's half human, half AI, and it's how you get both incredible quality and incredible speed. And after you blended your own writing with the AI's first draft, you can use these other amazing tools like Grammarly or the Hemingway app to polish that final text and make sure everything flows just perfectly. So, your manuscript is finally ready. The core creative work is done, but the journey isn't quite over. In this final step, we're going to take that refined draft and get it all the way to the marketplace. Believe it or not, once your manuscript is done, AI can also streamline all those publishing tasks. It can help you generate a jaw-dropping book cover with a tool like Midjourney, or it can write a high-converting book description, you know, the blurb, for your Amazon page.
You see how this process completely reframes your role? You're not just a writer sitting at a keyboard anymore. You're the creative director of the entire project, guiding all the pieces into place.
And what this all really means is that the traditional barrier to becoming a published author, the immense time commitment, the self-doubt, the structural challenges, it's effectively gone. The tools are here, the path is clear, so really the only question left is, what story are you going to tell?